first problem. It says Andy is 1/4 as old as his grandfather, who is 76 years old. Write an equation to determine whether Andy is 19 or 22 years old. So the first thing I want you to do with every problem is circle all of your numbers, okay? So we're going to circle 76, we're going to circle 19, and we're going to circle 22. Am I done?
1/4.
No, I'm not. I've got to circle 1/4. Even though it's written as a word, it's still a number. Two of these numbers right now are not important because at the very end, they basically are asking us whether the answer is going to be 19 or 22. But right now, we don't need to do anything with that. We just leave it alone, okay? So we can leave 19 and 22 alone for now. But I see a key word that tells me where to put that 76. Raise your hand if you see it. Raise your hand if you see the key word in that problem that tells me what I should do with that 76. And if you're confused, look up to the gray box right above the problem. All right, how can I write that, Sophia? Yeah, our equation needs to say equals 76. Because we know the word is means equal, so when it said is 76, we know our equation is going to equal 76. Okay? We can make up a variable for Andy to be. I just usually do the first letter of the name so I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to choose A. Okay? Now, you guys are about 1/3-ish of my age. Okay? So if I said Bologna is 1/3 of my age, and I asked you to figure out what my age is, what would you do?
Multiply.
Because you don't know my age, so you can't divide it. You've got to multiply, right? What are you going to multiply?
Her age by 3.
Her age times what?
3.
3, right? Why did you choose 3 instead of 1/3?
Either 33 or 36.
Good. So you took your denominator, and that's what you multiply it by. Okay? Now, I'm not exactly that old, but there's not a perfect fraction. There probably is. I have to figure it out. Okay, so you have to take the denominator and multiply it by her age. Okay? So we have to do the same thing. We have to take the denominator and 1/4 and multiply it by A, which is Andy's age that we don't know yet. When we do that, we're going to get 76. So if I write 1/4, what is my denominator? 4. So what do I need to do with that 4? Multiply it by what?
A.
A. And we make it a squishy. And now I know that 4A equals 76.